Okay, hold on. Hello, number 5. Happy birthday again. See, we get to do it right because Mommy was sick the first time. Huh? Wanna see what's waiting for you? Look, Des, look. Come on. What is that? What does that say? It says, happy 5th birthday. Who does that say?
Destiny.
Destiny. Now you can take him. Yeah, I couldn't find a place that had balloons that close last night.
My birthday.
Your birthday. Well, maybe if you're a good girl, maybe there'll be something in here for you too. You want to open it up on the floor? Bless you.
Thank you.
Please. You make sure you don't get any shots of me with this stuff. Ooh, that is pretty.
That's mine.
Cool.
Me, we have matches. Yeah. Wait, I think this was mine. This was yours. Mommy, which was Mason and Nanny's?
That one's yours.
What number does your birthday stuff have on it?
5.
Good job. So look for the one that's
Mine. Wait, let me see. No, this was mine. This was yours. Mine has A.
It has
Here you go. Now, look at that.
Okay, now put the stuff that you already seen on your
There were
table, and then go back in there and see what else is in there.
Here, Daddy. Oh, Poppy.
Hold
Wait,
on.
this is size 3. No.
Just put it on the table, bro.
Daddy's moving it, baby.
It's size 3. What's this?
Those are Nini's.
Oh.
There's one in there. Keep looking.
Here you go, Nanny. Thank you. And then what they have for me?
Mm-hmm.
That's yours.
Hat and gloves.
Replace
I
it.
didn't have my own one.
That's yours. Don't replace the princess one that you bought.
Is that cool?
Where at school?
In my copy. I keep forgetting it.
You found it.
I keep.
The blue one?
No, the princess one. I got it for
Ooh.
Ooh, those are cool. What are those bracelets?
yeah. That's
Cool. Daddy popped them. What time are we going to get better? I keep popped them, Daddy.
Honey?
I keep popped them.
Yeah.
why isn't it working?
Is this one
What
Nanny's?
is that?
Is this one Nanny's?
Oh, that's your big girl seat.
For mommy's car.
For mommy's part.
I thought I had the black one.
She didn't take care of.
I thought I had the black one.
That who didn't take care of?
Huh?
Said that who didn't take care of?
What about the black one, Daddy?
That was gonna stay in Daddy's car, and you can sit on that one when you're in
The
Daddy's
gray one
car.
is for Daddy's car. I got the gray one for for Daddy's car, the little one, and one big one for Nene for Daddy's car, and then one big one for Mommy's car and for Nene, and then one little one for Mommy's car for you. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm lost to sound now.
Huh?
I said I'm lost now.
Okay, Nene, no, the Costco, the big one, one for Nene for each car.
Oh, okay.
Did you see the candle in there anywhere? Because I know it was in there, because I saw it.
Not in there.
Huh?
Cool.